Ni mugomo uria muthenya wa ira urathagathirie mihang'o ya ukui kiharo-ini kia ndege kia GIKI no ndunaingira thikũ ya keri umuthi thutha wa kunanira njung'wa na ruhonge rwa Civil Aviation Authority, Ministry ya Labour na Ministry ya UKUUI, aruti wira kiama-ini kia ukui wa ndege marugamia mugomo uyu.
Ministry of Roads and Transport held a conciliatory meeting between the union, the State Department of Labour, the Kenya Civil Aviation Authority, and a return to work formula has been formally agreed upon. The ministry wishes to inform all travelers and air operators that it has been agreed that the airport operations be resumed to normalcy immediately.
We are happy that we've had very successful consultations and engagement, bringing together both KCAA management and KAA management. And in effect, Kenya Aviation Workers Union would like to call off the strike action on terms that have been agreed in the return to work formula.
Mwandiki munene wa kiama giki Moses Ndiema augite ni marikitie kuiguithaniria na anyiti itemi mutaratara wa uria aruti wira kiama-ini giki megucokereria wira ukiguithanirio aruti wira rungu rwa grade 4 na 5 metikirio gutwika a member a kiama giki.
We have those that are doable almost immediately. That has been done. Union level of representation at KCAA will now include employees in grades 4 and 5.
No na gukiri uguo riendekithia ria uria aria mari rungu rwa kandarathi kuheo wira wa gutura ndunakinyanirio maundu maria mangi matanatangikirwo makirikana megukinyanirio na ihenya uria kwahoteka kugerera aria mekwamurwo ni Ministry ya Labour.
The rest of the items cutting across KCAA and KAA are issues that require more time, deliberations, and that is why we have requested the Ministry of Labour to assist us through a process of conciliation. We see it in good faith and engage ourselves and arrive at amicable solutions.
Need to return to work immediately so that we can get our economy back in order as we resolve the other outstanding issues as agreed in a timeline that we'll continue to work on this afternoon.
Maria mangi kiama giki giathingagiriria makinyanirio ni WIGUANO wa CBA kuma mwaka wa 2015 Kenya Civil Aviation Authority kwaga gutia watho wa igoti wigie gucokia wira muruti umwe wa wira thutha wa kurugamio mugaru na watho gatagati ka mangi. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi Wachege.